Hi, this is Vijay Sinha from Erthpot. Today I would like to tell you about the new wired microphone, which is the VD1 here. The VD1 is the vocal dynamic microphone with a cardioid polar pattern. So let's see what comes inside the box here. So inside this box you get a product information sheet, a nice pouch and a connecting cable. It is a phono jack to XLR connecting cable and a mic clamp and a warranty certificate about the product. So here is the mic, which comes in a bubble wrap. So yeah, this is the VD1 vocal dynamic microphone and it comes with a mute switch as well. This is a reed type mute switch. So what it gives you is a noiseless switching action between switching on and off. This microphone has a complete metal structure, metal body with a high strength mesh grill as well that you can see here. This microphone is designed for semi-professional applications, so you can use it in live events or classrooms or auditoriums or house of worship applications where singing or speech is required. This microphone has a additional foam protection as well on top so that you can protect the transducer from accidental drop-offs or moisture from the environment. So this is the VD1. To know more about this product, about the pricing or availability, please contact us. Thank you.